Two vacation homes, same community near Disney, same number of bedrooms. One of them struggles to get booked at all. The other one charges a premium every single night and stays booked. And the difference comes down to the rooms like the ones you're about to see. I walk investors through short-term rentals near Disney for a living, and I can tell you most owners get this part wrong. So today, a professional theming designer is going to show you exactly what the winners are doing and whether it actually pays.
So this is an Indiana Jones themed movie theater. So we have our giant screen over here, professional grade equipment with a sound system that if you turn it up past 9, somebody's gonna have to go to urgent care for a blown eardrum. But we have all the little cool things all the details. So we have the bridge, we got the skull up there, we got Indiana Jones hat, and then a popcorn maker with a little fridge. So you have everything you need in this room to have an awesome movie night and not even have to leave. And these, right? So people will skimp out sometimes on nice seating. We reused this back row, and this is typical, it came with the house. This is typical of what you'll see that people buy because they think they're doing themselves a favor by saving money. Really, they're just not realizing how much money they're giving up by doing that. But these are super nice premium leather recliners. They have massage built in. There's cup holders that are heated or in ice. There's lighting built in. It's amazing. And you can flip this one down. There's reading lamps. It's the Cadillac of a movie theater seat. And another mistake people make with these little ones in the back, that's like a movie theater seat at a theater where you're sitting next to somebody you don't know. So here, you should know everybody you're in the house with, and you're gonna wanna sit next to them on the couch. You're gonna wanna cuddle up, and enjoy a movie like you know the person sitting next to you. So this gives you that opportunity. Those don't. So do yourself a favor.
I don't understand. Oh, and can you tell me why the leather isn't all ripped up?
Because it's premium.
Premium, she says.
Yeah, it's not that.
It's not
little
from
thin skin.
This wasn't $14 from Bangladesh on Temu?
No.
Oh. Now let's talk about what this actually cost, because nothing in this room was cheap, and that is the point. Erica told me on the same walkthrough that a fully custom themed room starts around $25,000, built with materials she says will last 20 years or more. That sounds like a lot until you understand what it does for the property. In all my years selling these homes, the theming is what dictates your nightly rate and how often you're booked. A plain house competes with every hotel room in Orlando. A house with its own private movie theater competes with almost nobody. Here's Erica on why guests happily pay more for it.
So the reason that you really need to go all out like this is because at the end of the day, it does matter to guests. And we see in our reviews all the time about the kids didn't want to leave the house. They had more fun at the house than they did at Disney, which is crazy to think about. We have had reviews where people have said they got rained out, like they were supposed to go somewhere that day, couldn't go, they had to stay here, and everybody had a better time here. So that personal theme park in a house is worth so much to people, and that's why they pay the higher prices for these kind of houses, and that's why they get these raving reviews, and that's why they're able to charge so much more per night than the houses that have some lame Indiana Jones sticker and a TV instead of a movie theater screen with some rickety old seats where everybody's a foot apart from each other, like they're in a public movie theater, like someone's gonna be like, shh, So no, this is a whole personal, private theme park feeling. You have to be able to make your popcorn, have cold drinks. This is celebrity luxury royalty level that people want to experience.
So, does gaming pay? When it's done right and treated like a business instead of a house, yes. But the room is only one piece. You still have to buy the right house, in the right community, at the right price. And that's the part that I handle. I put everything I know about investing in Orlando short-term rentals into my free Smart Investors Playbook. The best communities, the real cost, and the mistakes to avoid. The link is in the description box below or the QR code on the screen now. Grab it before you buy anything. Or reach out to me personally, phone number in the description box as well.
Erica, I want to thank you so much. You know, we do this for our viewers and we do it for our clients. We're so thankful that we get to have a job that we get to sit here and watch a movie like this. And if you liked all the content that you saw today from myself and Erica, you can like and subscribe to the videos because, as always, this information is on the house.